Hello, my dear Taurians, and welcome to Divine Enchantress. This is your Divine Enchantress with your month of August detailed love reading. Alright, so thank you so much for all the new subscribers and cross watchers that are connected with the channel so far. I really appreciate all the love and support, and always keep in mind that every reading that is posted is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with you, so take it however that it resonates. Alright, so let's see, my dear Taurians, what messages in love are in store for you for the month of August 2020. Alright, and for those who do not know, every Sunday Indian Standard Time I go live for your weekly general readings. So please stay in touch with the channel, show your love and support, and I'll really appreciate it. Alright, so Taurus, this is for your month of August 2020 love readings. And we have love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. Beautiful. Alright, so there is a certain message for you Taurians to make sure that you are living into the self-love that you expect from someone else. All right, oftentimes we expect someone else to love us or respect us, and we do not do that for ourselves. And that is the beginning message from this card. Now let's see from the Whispers of Love Oracle what more details can be expected in love and relationships for Taurus for the month of August 2020. And we have the Union of Hearts, love connection defies explanation. Beautiful. And this is so beautiful, Taurus. I hope you can see this. I'm keeping it over here. All right, and then let's get into the details with the Rider-Waite of your August 2020 love reading. What messages are in store for my dear Taurians? All right, and we have for my dear Taurians, let's see, for August 2020 we have in messages. Beautiful, beautiful. So finally, I feel this, and I apologize if it does not resonate with all of you. But for some of you, I feel that you have let go of a situation, Taurus. This could be a scenario where you have broken up, or you are doing fantastically very well to move on from a certain situation. Because in the past, maybe for you, July for some of you was a lot of letting go of delusions. All right, of maybe for some of you, you were in a relationship which was all about hopes and expectations, and this person was only giving you hopes or expectations, and they just knew about all of your feelings, Taurus, but they did not give you much. And as an earth sign, it is your rightful nature to seek more stability, to seek more, and how and when and what a future from the relationship. So Taurus, I would say that for most of you, you guys are coming out of a scenario which was very delusional. Maybe this person was not leading you anywhere from the situation was, or this person was just giving you promises, and it was not leading you anywhere, as far as I feel. All right, but for most of you, you have taken a new turn, even if there is lack of support. All right, even if you know that the road could be lonely out there for you, but you decided to step up and to not accept what you do not deserve. All right, so you are stepping up for your own self, Taurus, and this is so beautiful, because finally you know what you want, you know your destination, in the relationship. Maybe for some of you, you could have been involved with someone who was really great. There was fantastic chemistry, everything was all spot on. But the thing is, over here, Taurus, I feel that you finally let go of the situation, because with the Four of Pentacles in reverse, you are finally letting go of holding on to your emotions or holding on to the promises that this person offered, but there was all talk and no act. All right, and that is something, Taurus, that you're moving on from. Even if there is a temporary loneliness, but you are at peace. At least you know that even without support, or even without certain people and their promises, at least you would do better if you knew the entire truth and you respect the truth. All right, and also let's see in details as for the outcome for you, Taurus, because we have love yourself. So basically, I feel for most of you, even if you're single or in a relationship, you just know you've stepped up your game. All right, altogether you know what you want, what your expectations are, and then as an outcome we have the union of hearts, which is beautiful. So August, when you realize, when you recognize your worth, when you recognize your your destination of what you want, how you want it, the journey simplifies itself, is what I would say. And for my dear audience, for the month of August, more in details of to see beautiful. So when you step up, when you introspect, when you have this isolation, this loneliness, when you live through this phase, you know what kind of sunlight you deserve, what kind of what kind of passion you deserve, what kind of new life into the situation that you deserve. All right, Taurus, so this is so beautiful. So for most Taurus, I would say this month is all about realizing, stepping up into their game. All right, maybe no more, the lessons that you've learned, you're not going to accept any delusional behavior. You're not just going to accept anyone who just talks, but you're going to accept someone who puts in the right efforts. And this is so great, because then, when you are in a union with your own life path, when you are at union with your own pace of how you want things to be, that is when you actually find the ultimate union of hearts. Beautiful, Taurus. So love yourself first. For most of you, if you feel that then there is not a stability, even if you've been together for very long, but there is not stability, step up your game. Let go of only holding on to attachments, or memories, or you know delusional talks, or however it is that does not give you clarity in the month of August. Because when you do this, even at most, the certain things that would occur, Taurus, is you could have a little stagnant space, you would have a little loneliness, but better to have the peace of mind than to always wonder about how or where it leads you. And when you respect your own space, when you step up for your own self, the game changes. All right, so this is so beautiful, Taurus. I hope this resonates, and I apologize if it doesn't. Please stay in touch with the channel. Thank you all for watching and being supportive towards the channel, because it's been a very motivating journey for me so far. And I hope that you all come live on Sunday Indian Standard Time for all of your weekly readings. Enjoy. I hope you all are very safe receiving this message from the safety of wherever that you are. And God bless you all, and take care. All right. Bye bye, Taurus. Have a very safe time. See you soon again. Bye.